Hello guys, today we're going to be doing Math CA Term 3 Week 2. Question 1. Which of the following fractions is equal to the sum 3 plus 2? Okay, so we plus the numerators and we do not touch the denominators because they're like denominators and we do not touch them. We keep them the same. 3 plus 2 equals 5, 5 out of 7. Which of the following numbers must fill in the box to make 6 out of 11 equal 44 true? We how much do we times 11 to get 44? We times it by 4 to get 44. Then we times 6 by 4 equals 24. Which of the following numbers must fill in the box to make 1 out of 5 equal 20 true? 5 times 4 equals 20. You times it by 4 equals 4. Question 3. Which of the following mixed numbers does the shaded part of the diagram above represent? This one is a whole. We do not count it. This one is there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 parts, and they colored 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's 5 out of 8. Question 4. Kate ate 3 out of 7 of a pumpkin pie after lunch. She ate another 2 out of 7 of the pie after dinner. What fraction of the pumpkin pie did she eat? We plus the numerator with 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5 out of 7. Question 5. Selma used 4 out of 15 blocks of dark chocolate and 7 out of 15 blocks of milk chocolate to prepare a cake. Which of the following represents the number of blocks of chocolate Selma used? We plus the numerators, which equals 11 out of 15, and then we plus the whole number, which equals to 2. So that's 11 out of 15. Haroldo wants to color 1 out of 2 of the large circle. How many sectors should he color? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 sectors. How much does he want to color to make it half? He needs to color 6 out of 12 to make it half. Jason ate 5 out of 10 of a pizza. An equivalent statement would be Jason ate 1 out of 2 because that's half. Because we simplified it by 5. Question 8. Which of the following fractions is equal to 1? 1 out of 1 is equal to 1. 10 out of 10 is equal to 1. Like 1 whole. This one 999 out of 1,000. It does not equal to a whole. 40 out of 20 is improper, so it's 100% not equal to 1. 5 out of 10, that is 1 out of 2, it's not a whole. This is also improper. Question 9. Which of the following sums is equal to 5 out of 8? 3 plus 2 equals 5, and then it's 8. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 3 out of 8. 3 plus 3 equals 6 out of 8. Then 5 plus 1 equals 6 out of 8. He wants 5 out of 8, which is this one. Question 10. The following fraction is equivalent to 8 out of 20. We divide it by 4, and then it's 5, and then the numerator, we divide it by 4, which equals to 2 out of 5. Figure A, 3 out of 4 of its whole shaded gray. Select 3 correct answers. Which fraction is equal to 3 out of 4? We times it by 5, and then we also times 3 by 5, so it's 20. It's correct. This one, 4, it cannot be 3, and 3 cannot times to 4. So this one is incorrect. 3 cannot get to 4, and 4 cannot get to 5. So this one is wrong. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. So this one is correct. 3 times 3 equals 9. It's correct, but then 4 cannot, if we times 4 by 3, it cannot get to 11. So it's wrong. 3 times 10 equals 30. 4 times 10 equals 40. So it's correct. Select 3 correct answers. Which fraction is not equal to 3 out of 4? 4 out of 5, because 3 cannot get to 4, so it is not equal, it's correct. 3 times 4 equals 12, 4 times 4 equals 16, so this one is incorrect because it is equal to 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 3 equals 12, so it is equal, so it is wrong. 3 times 2 equals 6, 4 times 2 equals 8, so it is equal, so it's wrong. 3 times 3 equals 9, 4 times 3 equals 12, and it is not equal. 30 cannot get to 40, and 40 cannot get to 30. Question 12. Which of the following is an improper fraction? Select all that apply. 5 out of 4, because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. 3 out of 3 is improper because they are equal. Numerator is the same as denominator, so it is correct because they asked for improper fractions. 16 out of 7, numerator bigger than denominator, is correct. Question 13. Express 24 out of 36 in those terms. 36 divided by 6 equals 6, and then 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Can we simplify it? Divide it by 2. equals 4 equals to 2 out of 3. Question 14. What number goes to the box? 11 minus 4 equals 7. So, question 15. 16 out of 6 out of 16 equals to 6 divided by 2, because 16 divided by 2, we divide the same, we divide the same, so it says 3 out of 8, because 6 divided by 2 equals 3, 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Question 16. 2 out of 3 equals to 2 times 3, because we times it the same. Okay, so it equals to 6, and 3 times 3 equals 9. How many 6s are there in 11? 1, and the remainder in it is 5, and then it's 6, because that's the denominator. How many 3s are there in 8? There's 2, and then the remainder 2 out of 3 inside of it. And there's left 2 out of 3. How many 6s are there in 8? It's 1, then it's 2 out of 3. So I made a mistake. It's supposed to be 6. 6 out of 2, and then we simplify it. We divide it by 2 equals to 1 out of 3. 14 out of 8. How many 8s are there in 14? 1, not the whole. And then the remainder is 6 out of 8. We divide that by 2 equals 3 out of 4, because we divide it by 2 equals 3 out of 4. And then the whole is 1. Question 18. 6 out of 16 equals to 3 out of 8, because we divide it by 2, and then equals 3, because we also divided by 2, equals to 8, because we had to simplify it. Okay, 8 times 2 equals 16. 8, 5 times 2 equals 7. Question 19. 5 times 4 equals 20, and then 2 times 4 equals 8, and the wholes are the same, so this one is bigger. 4, 1 out of 2, and 5, 4, 5 out of 8. You times but 2 times 4 equals 8, and then you times 1. 1 times 4 equals 5, so this is bigger because the whole is the same, and 4 is smaller than 5, so this one. 4 times 3 e- 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 times 3 equals 9, but this one is not bigger. It's because the whole is bigger than this, so then that one's bigger. Even though the numerator is smaller, if the whole is bigger than the other one, it's bigger. Question 20. Answer the fraction in the box. 9 out of 15 with a denominator of 5. We know the denominator is 5, so we put it 5, and we divide it by 3 to get 5, and then we divide 9 by 3 equals 3 out of 5. A. 8 times 16 divided by 8. Wait, no. It's 16 divided by 2 equals 8, and then 2 divided by 2 equals 1 out of 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. Then 4 times 2 equals 8. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And then 14 divided by 2, 7. Question 22. 2 plus 5 equals 7 out of 11. Because then denominator stays the same. And 5 plus 6 plus 5 equals equals we make it to a mixed number because it is okay. So here you can make it either improper. Here they say it's improper, but you can also make it 1 out of 7. So either it would be 16 out of 14. You can divide both of them by 2 equals 8 over 7, and then either you can just keep it like this and the answer they said like that, or but it's better if you make it a mixed number. 1 out of 7. Question 23. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's 8, and then there's 3 colored, so it's 3 out of 8. We cannot simplify it. It's already in the simplest form. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.